Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the incredible 325 Boston Whaler Conquest. Notice the engine power back here, twin 400 white Mercury Verados. Got a great aft bench seat that folds away here, your dive ladder stored underneath. An easy pull handle, great seat, live well off to the port side. Another great seat here for entertaining, easily folds out. Or if you're hardcore fishing the boat, you can fold them up, get them out of your way. On the starboard side, we have a great dive door. Take a look at the hinges on this dive door. It's something you'd see on a mega yacht. Also have a grab handle that comes up, comes around, so you got something to grab a hold to when you're coming up. Two large in-deck fish boxes in the floor that macerate and get pumped overboard. Great aft-facing seat here, so if you are trolling, you have good visibility. You also have a really neat setup with a grill. You can store this away, and then you also have a foot switch here, so you can step up here and you got a nice place to rest your feet. Also have great tackle storage underneath. Moving into the cockpit of the boat or the helm area, you have a nice wet bar over to the starboard side, refrigerator, storage. This aft seat also folds to face forward. Port side, you have a nice teak table. You'll notice the full glass here. You do have storage for your canvas tucked away in this bag and opening port lights here. Great visibility, no obstructions here. Twin Simrad screens as well as joystick. Now we'll go down to the cabin and you take a look at the photos of that. It's a great layout. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and we can be reached at 910-256-8100.